When I move the leg, we can see that the feet is distorted and is not connected properly to the leg. If I move the leg now with kinematic output connected, it is fine. In this video, I'll show you how I created this setup. I have drawn this leg. This is the upper layer. This is the lower. This is the feet. The line art is in line art layer and the color art is in the color art layer for all three. And we have pegs on all of them. On the top, I will click on rigging tool. So if this is not here, we can enable it by right clicking and clicking on deformation. This will add the deformation toolbar. Under properties, I'll click on bone deformer. I have selected this peg, the master peg. I'll click over here and then click over here. So this will create one bone. And then click over here. So these are two bones. This is the deformation group. If I click on this arrow, it will show me both the bones which I have added. And now I'll increase the articulation radius. This is the radius of influence. Right now the color is red because I am in edit mode. So I'll click on the transform tool. And when I take the cursor on the bone, the icon changes. So I'll move the leg. So the feet are not connected to the leg. That is why it is not moving with the leg. So this is the feet. So I need to add a deformer for the feet also. So I've selected the peg of the feet. And in the layers panel, for the feet layer, I'll click on solo mode. So this will hide the other layers and now only the leg layer is visible. I'll click on rigging tool, select the bone deformer. So this is one bone, this is for the foot. And this is the deformation group for the feet. I can click on this arrow and it will show me the two bones which I have added for the feet. Now I can disable solo mode and now the other layers are also visible. So the upper layer and the lower leg have a separate deformation chain and the feet has a separate deformation chain. Now I will parent the feet to the leg. Now I'll click on the transform tool. I'll take the cursor to the bone and when the icon changes, I'll move the bone. And we can see that the feet is moving separately. It is not connected to the leg, even though the parenting is correct. and it's getting distorted also, we can see over here. So to fix this, I will use a kinematic output node. In the node view, I'll press enter, type kinematic. It's giving me 3 options, so I have to choose the one which says kinematic output bone. And we can add it from the node library also. Click on node library. And then we'll get the same options over here, and then choose this one. Or the third option is, we can click over here, go to insert, effects, deformation, bone, and then select kinematic output from here. So we can add it from any of these 3 ways. So I only need one, so I'll just disable the other 2. Select the node and then press D to disable it. So we need to add the kinematic output between the feet peg and the deformer, so that when we move the leg deformer, it does not affect the feet. Press and hold Alt, and it gets connected between the feet and the deformer. Now I'll click over here and move the leg. Now we can see that I'm able to animate the leg, and it is not affecting the feet. The feet is parented to it, so it is moving with the leg. It's not getting distorted. And if I want to animate the feet, I can select the bone in the feet and move it also. So we have one more issue. So we can see that there is a stroke between the upper leg and the lower leg over here. And we have a stroke between the lower leg and the feet also. So to fix the strokes, we can use auto patch. So in the node view, I'll press enter, type the name of the node, this one, auto patch isolate. So when we add a node, and if we have a node already selected, it automatically gets added to it. So to avoid this, we should deselect everything and then add the node. So I have deselected, and now it's not connected to anything. So for auto patch to work, we need to use the pencil tool to draw the artwork, and the line art and the color art should be in separate layers. So I've drawn the leg with the pencil tool, and the line art is in line art layer, and the color art is in the color art layer. Same is for the lower leg, and same is for the feet. So we'll connect the upper leg to the auto patch. So one cable of the upper leg will go to the composite, and the other cable will go to auto patch, and the auto patch needs to be in front of the lower leg. And now if I click on render view, we can see that the stroke between the upper leg and the lower leg is not visible anymore. And we have to do the same for the feet and the lower leg. So I have another auto patch. I will enable it. So one cable from the lower leg is connected to the composite and the other one will go to auto patch, and the auto patch will be in front of the feet. And now if I click on render, we can see that the stroke between the feet and the lower leg is gone. Now if I click on transform tool, it will work fine because I have added the kinematic output node and I have added the auto patch also.